once again.
What's up, guys? This is the new Magic, the Honor Magic 2. Another impressive smartphone by the company Honor that comes packed with a railing sliding mechanism like we have seen on the Mix 3. This is an 8GB RAM model, coming packed with 128GB storage. So let's quickly unbox this beautiful piece of art and have a look to the magic. So first, you will find the phone itself, with the plastic wrapped around it. So as mentioned, it comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, along with a slider. And these things are already known to us, thanks to leaks. Further, you will find a SIM ejector, and a package for some documentations. Let's quickly open this. There's also a black color case, which fits perfectly to the phone. The case has been designed properly, so it doesn't affect the slider. There are some documentation stuffs over here, a manual and a quick start guide, including some other things, exclusively available for users of China. The packaging comes packed with a power adapter, which is a fast charger. It is a 10 volts and 4 ampere adapter, supports power up to 40 watt. At last, you will get a Type-C cable, wrapped around plastic. There's also a dongle, and may you know the reason for providing this. So nothing else here, this is all you get in its packaging. Let's remove all the plastics, and have a closer look to the phone itself. So we are all set to check its beauty. When it comes to the design, the Magic 2 comes with an all-glass body. On the front you will find a massive screen, with minimal bezels and no notch. The phone comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner, as there's no physical scanner here at the back. The phone looks very clean, with a gradient design and 3D curves. It may look identical to the P20 Pro, because of its camera's arrangement. It includes triple camera setup on the back, as well as on the front. The setup includes a flash above the sensors, and the third lens is little bigger than other two. The overall look of the phone is really attractive, with the Honor branding at the bottom. Honor claims the phone has an 8-sided curved design, giving a comfortable feel. The phone looks much beautiful when light hits the back surface. The phone is available in 3 colors: gradual black, gradient blue, and gradient red. For me, the red one is best to look. The Honor Magic 2 is powered by Kirin 980 chipset under the hood. The latest, and the most powerful chipset at the moment. So, there are no compromise with phone's look and hardware. So the cameras you are looking at the back, includes a main 24-megapixel RGB sensor, along with a monochrome sensor and an f/1.8 aperture. The supporting 16-megapixel lens is responsible for taking portrait pictures. The third sensor is interesting, including a wide-angle lens of 16 megapixel. It also enhanced the picture quality, with a monochrome sensor. So this is all about the camera setup. Let's further discuss about the phone. So this is the most attractive color variant of this phone, the gradient red. The gradient red color comes with a very reflective look. Which color do you like the most? Let us know in comments. However, the elegant look on both of these phones is astonishing. Pretty impressive look, and a cutting-edge design. One of the major highlight of Honor's Magic 2 is its sliding mechanism. This device comes with a manual sliding structure that has been tightly fixed for smooth and simple experience. Honor calls it a double drive power structure that not only ensures the strength of the body, but also includes 3 cameras on the front. The slider is capable of performing several functions, and supports other customization. This is how the phone looks when you access this slider. The phone is 8.24 millimeters thick, and includes 3500 mAh battery, which is pretty impressive. The Magic 2 has a 6.39-inch AMOLED display, with a full HD Plus resolution. The fingerprint scanner is hidden under the screen. And Honor claims the phone comes with a screen ratio of 91.5%. The device comes with higher color gamut, better contrast ratio, and an aspect ratio of 19:5:9. It has very slim bezels all over the screen, like one on the Mi Mix 3. The top bezel is narrow to 2.9 mm, while the left and right borders are as narrow as 1.8 mm. The bottom chin measures 3.95 mm in thickness. So here's the main highlight, the sliding mechanism. It includes two infrared lenses, both of 2 megapixels. The main camera lens is of 16 megapixel, for taking clearer selfies. The sliding structure of both Mix 3 and Magic 2 are identical, just slide and open. The mechanism is easy to access on both of these phones, so there's no complaint at all. But I am quite eager to find what would be its life expectancy. However, I don't think so that it would break anytime soon. The components and the slider does affect the phone's appearance. As a result, the phone may feel you a bit thick in hands. As you can see, the way it opens from the side feels quite smooth and quick. Everything has been designed accurately, and the slider feels durable. So with combining 2 infrared lenses, it can recognize 10,000 dots of your face. So there's a 3D face unlock technology on this phone, which is quite secured for making payments. Let's check how it works. When you slide the mechanism, the 3D face unlock module will recognize your face, and the phone will get instantly unlocked. So this is pretty quick, and also secured. Good job by the company. It also comes with 3D Qmoji, which is an entertaining feature similar to Animoji. The Magic 2 comes with Magic UI 2.0, based on Android Pie. The latest version of Android is coupled with a special assistant, called Yo-Yo, which can perform various functions, similar to Google Duplex. This assistant has the ability of learning, thinking and evolution. The Kirin 980 chipset inside this phone is one of the most efficient chip, and as a result, its interface is really snappy and quick. It comes with full screen gesture, with very smooth animations. Swiping from bottom will let you go to home screen. Swiping from the bottom with the pause will let you open recent apps. So the gesture controls are very similar to MIUI, and also easy to access. Swipe from the side to go back. So the Honor Magic 2 seems to be a perfect phone, with a powerful processor, latest version of Android, up to 8 GB of RAM, and 256 GB storage. Apart from a powerful hardware, it is a camera king, and equipped with total 6 cameras. 3 on the back, and 3 on the front. Impressive. And with all these stunning features, it packs a starting reasonable price tag of $545. So that's all guys, provide your opinions and comments. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.